I'm pretty sure you've watched the Chris Lord-Alge video, and one of the things you notice is all the gear that he has behind him. You know what's really interesting about that? Some of that stuff he doesn't touch. For example, some of the compressors, if he wants to compress harder, more level into those compressors. If he wants to back up, less level. And that's what we're going to be exploring today. So the sounds that I got here, they ship with Pro Tools. Really basic. So what I did, I duplicated that track. Currently, it's muted. Let's open the fader. I want you guys to see that. Let's go ahead and take that out of mute. On the first insert, let's go to I/O. I'm going to send to 5 and 6. I have effect compressor. Settings already set. All I want to do is crush the hell out of it. That's all I want to do. Then I want to take this fader and just mix it in. By the way, I also have a really low buffer setting. So if we go to hardware buffer size, 128, it's possible I can go lower, but I'm going to just keep it at 128 because it's just working perfectly fine. Doesn't sound like we need to check the phase, but it's always important that you do that. So I'm going to open the trim plugin. You can use any of the plugins that ship with Pro Tools, like the EQs and all that stuff. They have this phase option here. I lost all my bottom end, so the phase perfectly fine. Now, using clip gain, I'm gonna compress harder. Nice, let's play that together. Let's back up. And that's how it's done. I'm not grabbing the input or the output of that compressor or the release or the threshold. I'm just controlling all of that here with clip gain. So here's the only thing I'm asking for. That thumbs up, click it. First time watching, press that subscribe button. And also press the bell for future notifications. I really want to thank you for watching my video. This is Ray and I'm out of here. Later, guys.